we're looking at an assortment of 3 different early 20th century pamphlets relating to California. This one right here is for tours at the Expo in 1915. This is a specific county in California. It's got this little map at the back. It's got that color there. And we'll just flip through it so that you can see that, in fact, it does have this little fold-out map here. There is a blind stamp from a historical institute in here. This was obtained at auction, public auction, some years back. And here is this, another color lithographed irrigation district map. Great little images. This is wonderful. Look at this. That's great with our early automobiles there. And finally, what we've got here is this little fold-out panoramic bird's eye view here. But again, another little blind stamp there. And we've got this right here. This is where the county is outside of the San Francisco area. The final item is this 1910 booklet. Someone has long ago put a new little spine on here. And this is published in San Francisco. And look at that. There we are. It's got a little bit of damage up here just from the fragility of it. And here's a bird's eye view of San Francisco, a call to the immigrant. And this lot of 3 items is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.